días, Dingle Hopperz. I'm eating huevos rancheros. Say huevos rancheros. Say it. Let's see if you can say it. Huevos a la Cheetos.
Huevos a la Cheetos.
How's your waffle? What? Good morning. We are up early. It is 6:50. We are dressed, ready, eating breakfast because we are going to Isla Mujeres. Can you say Isla Mujeres? Say it again. Isla Mujeres. So you got the magical finger snap. So when you snap your fingers, we're gonna be on our way there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, we're getting on the boat, you guys. We're going to Isla Mujeres. Good job, Anthony. Your finger snapped. It worked.
It worked.
Hi.
Patrick, what is that?
Anthony?
See that, you guys?
I can't reach. You gotta back up.
Mexican dinosaurs. Everybody wants to go snorkeling in this water? Ha! I'm not trying to die. You crazy? Ain't nobody got time for that.
Whoa.
Yeah, you see? Now do it again. Put your head back and flip your legs. Do it. Hey, why'd you go jump at the mall? Come back to the beach. All right, we're gonna shoot you up. Go up again. He's gonna shoot you up again.
Good job.
Alright, you guys, so we're going from the south side of the island down to the north side of the island. This water, if you could hear me, this water is so blue. It's like something out of a movie. Someone put food coloring in it. It's crazy. But if you look, this is where we were. There is where we're going.
We're twinning.
Hey.
We're gonna go check up everyone.
Look at twins. There's the twins. Triplets. That's fun. Alright, Fulios, we are here now at the north end of the shore. And let's check this thing. Oh, wait, this is the dolphin discovery. I don't think we're doing the dolphin discovery. This is bringing us to another boat that has to bring us there. Okay, Anthony. Alright, golf cart. We're gonna go explorador.
Hola, Dingle Hopperz.
Look at this.
Wow.
This is legit.
So cool.
Over there.
Anthony, look what I see. New York Giants. Look.
A New York Giants poncho.
We found a New York Giants poncho. In Mexico. It's back there.
It's a ball.
The Chimbo.
Hola.
Come on, guys, follow me.
Okay,
Lo siento, señor. I did not mean to hit your carro.
Insurance. I need your insurance. sir.
My insurance? Okay.
I need your insurance.
I got
sir.
my insurance right
Where
here
is your
in my back
insurance?
pocket.
Whoa!
You're welcome, sir.
KO.
Dingle Mom's driving. That's crazy. Look at Anthony still just chilling in the passenger side. You good? Let me see. Alright.
How pretty are the buildings? Look.
Oh! Oh! Wasn't expecting that one.
That's what you get, Dingle Dad.
Stop being so loud and get out of here.
Look at, they got a bunch of like different wall art. Hey! It's a shot! It's a shot! You guys, Anthony fell asleep. Come on, dude. Are you asleep or are you awake?
I just got the guys to win.
Now you're awake. Alright, buddy, our ride's almost over. Are you tired already?
Be careful.
You tired?
Pay attention to the road.
This concludes our ride. Yeah, dude.
Oh, sorry, Sean.
The streets is crazy.
I broke my foot.
Look, he just sneezed at a Cheeto. You guys, check this out. This is an infinity pool, and the water legit runs over and looks into the ocean. How sick is that? If you're gonna jump in, you gotta jump in far. Wait, ready, ready, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Anthony came back.
Was that good? Woo! It's cold. You gonna do it again?
One, two, three, go. Oh, there he is. Go, step right here, look. Go. No.
Be prepared. They are coming. Some are doomed.